Yep, I'll put it on YouTube in a couple of days.
Wait, you're famous?
Yep. I am not famous.
What's your account?
Not yet. We'll get there. Wob's
What's
World.
your channel?
Huh?
What's your channel?
Wob's World.
Huh?
Wob's World. The way of Boog. Yeah.
Can you tell me at the end so I can
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Do you have a quote for people that enter YouTube?
Say again?
Do you have like a quote for new people that want to record?
A quote? No, not really.
This is the best soccer team in West Palm.
Ooh, nice. Nice. I used to play soccer. A long time ago. You guys are local? Yeah.
Which one?
Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, wow, those are not mine. Search for the Way of Boog World. The handle is at Wob's World.
Man!
Hot?
I'm not supposed to. Okay, challenge. Can't touch them.
Yo, you should like.
You find it?
Come on, no, the Wi-Fi is.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi is janky here.
Don't put away the phone.
Why?
Oh. Yo, hurry up, hurry up.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Ah! Oh, snap. What? Ooh. You can't touch the handle. You can't touch the handle.
Oh.
Touch the handle when.
Yeah.
How we done?
Bro, everyone's gonna touch the. Nah, you don't have to. Yeah, no one's gonna touch it. So who's gonna win?
You?
No one, so don't touch it.
Bye bye, Isaac.
Ooh, I touched it.
Oh my god.
I was about to grab that.
Oh no! You're out! You're out! It's just like this. What I tell you? What I tell you?
Oh.
Go the reflex, bro.
Oh.
You want to restart?
Yeah, no restart, no restart.
Alright, no restart. We'll do on the next one.
No, let's go on a different ride.
That's what we're doing.
The water ride.
That's what I'm saying on the next one.
You're gonna hit the next water ride on?
Yeah.
It's hot. It's a good time for it.
You don't know how to count.
Oh, gonna get rained on.
Yeah, we're good. I might sleep on this. Dad, can I watch the movie Cars while on this? Is that waterproof?
It is. It is. I just don't want it on the lens if I can help it. Yeah, it's on the lens.
I'm not gonna lie, it feels so good to be in here, bro.
Oh, we gotta go down and do a spin right there.
Why are you spoiling it?
It's really going on YouTube. Can't spoil it.
Nah, Evie got the worst. Nah. We're turning. We're turning. Look.
Bye.
There we go.
I told you we're turning.
Ooh.
Never mind. That's new. Evie! Hey, you grabbed it!
Busted.
As long as you touch it out.
Ooh. Oh! I got you.
It's a replay. Oh my god. It's a replay.
No.
Oh, my shoes are soaked.
Exactly. You're so
Ugh. This is nice.
If you can touch your handle, you're out.
Huh?
You can touch your handle, you're out.
Oh, back.
Nice. Must be the drop right around here. Here we come.
How we doing?
Hang on, you're inside. That's crazy.
Turn. Oh, that's it.
Come on, go straight. Go straight. There we go. Perfect.
You're that good, lucky, bro. You wanted it.
Good. Hey. So,
You're not even done.
whew. Oh, that was good.
It tastes good. It's like
What position you guys play? Center mid? Left back?
I play striker.
Striker? Nice. What age group? U14? Very good. Awesome. All right, guys.